Hello everyone, Jeremy here back again. This time bringing you a short video on how you can delegate to GoPool using Yoroi wallet. Well, firstly you will have to install Yoroi onto your browser. There are different types. For this tutorial I'll be using Chrome. Just make sure that you download the mainnet version and not the testnet. So after downloading and setting up your wallet, you should be led to like either page, but this should be what you'll be seeing. And then from there click on delegation, and you'll see a column where they ask you to enter the stake pool ID. So to look for pool ID, I'll use pool2.io and search for Go. I'll sort by the name ticker, and you should see the ticker name Go and Go2. For this example, I'll be using the ticker Go. So you click on here to copy the pool ID and you paste the pool ID. You should see Go pool. And to check whether you did copy the correct pool ID, you can visit the pool web page, and this is our web page. And from there, just click next, and they should show this pool name, which is GoPool, and the pool ID. And then this is the amount that you'll be delegating, amount in your wallet that you'll be used to delegate, and just enter your spending password. And delegate. So it's gonna take a while as it loads. And yep, and after it's done, you'll be shown this screen. So it shows successfully delegated, track the status. So you can view your rewards, or your summary, time to the next epoch, and stuff like that. And most importantly, you should see Go Pool over here, and this will be the reward you'll be getting at the end of each epoch. So yeah, that's about it. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to your delegation. And remember to stake for Go. Thank you.